Amazon denies report claiming imminent acceptance of Bitcoin payments.
Did you hear about this?
Admits it has an interest in the space. No, I didn't. I got to admit, I am surprised at the lack of talk about like where Amazon stands on crypto, being kind of the place where people buy everything. And then curious, Bezos is a futuristic kind of guy. I mean, he's putting robots everywhere, eliminating people from the...
And he's going to space?
He went to space, and it's all about efficiency and things. Like, why should he care? I know it still poses some accounting issues, obviously. But anyway, go ahead. Break it down for me. What do you got?
Well, there was a lot of hype for the recent days, cryptocurrency in general. It was just going up. And a lot of the reason that it's going up is because of Amazon. They think that Amazon was going to make an announcement about adopting Bitcoin for payments. But that didn't happen because this came out. And the stock kind of tanked, or crypto kind of just went down. But it just kind of goes.
Wait a second. Just want to clarify this. There's crypto, and then there's the Amazon stock. Was Amazon?
No. I'm sorry. The crypto kind of
market.
Yeah, the crypto. Market.
Okay. So this was just a rumor.
It just went down a little bit because of this statement.
Amazon has denied a report. It claimed its plans to start accepting Bitcoin's payment before the end of the year. Notwithstanding our interest in the space, speculation that has ensued around our specific plans for cryptocurrencies is not true. A spokesperson for the company told Reuters. We remain focused on exploring what this could look like for customers shopping on Amazon. I have no idea how that looks internally. I imagine it is a nightmare to implement such a thing. Mm-hmm. And then there's probably forces at play, whether it's tax strategies, import, export. There's probably forces at play that add even more layers to these types of decisions.
Especially like returns on products. Like that would be a logistical nightmare, right?
Yeah, they couldn't do returns in crypto because it's too volatile. Exactly. It wouldn't be the same value. And then anyway, they should be interested. Is Amazon big enough? And I'm not saying I want them to do this, but is Amazon big enough to have their own crypto? Like, never mind even, or partnering. I don't know. This is a crazy idea, obviously. But I buy so much stuff off Amazon. I wonder if there's some sort of interaction that would be different that they could. It kind of would defeat the benefit or interesting aspect of crypto if they did such a thing.
Yeah.
But imagine the internet giants coming together, and actually that's scary. I hope that. Don't do that, Amazon.
The opposite of decentralization.
Yeah, but then,
I mean, they could use blockchain in some form.
Sure. This is all. I think part of my the difficulty here is trying to imagine why they would or wouldn't. What would the incentives be in either direction? If you embrace crypto, in a way, you seem like you're a part of the future. You seem like you're interested in the thing that everyone, like the way that Tesla was cheered when they first made their announcement. And then Tesla, they're always doing crazy things. They took that one back and decided against it because of their own reasons. Mm-hmm. So it's.
Yeah, I mean, you were talking about how Amazon doesn't really have like a say, like recently. So this kind of maybe shed some light on their opinion on crypto, even though it's very broad.
They say we're inspired by the innovation happening in the cryptocurrency space and are exploring what this could look like. It's so vague that
it's very generalized.
It leads me to believe that they have some plans that we're not aware of, and I don't know what it is. It's a concoct some sort of weird interaction. Mm-hmm. like, what if, okay, never mind Amazon having its own crypto. What if Amazon was its own exchange? And at the moment that you transacted, they would take your crypto, but they would immediately convert it to something that the seller wanted.
So they're a bank?
The seller could decide that they are willing to accept crypto on an individual basis. Or if not, then the exchange could take, this again, so complex, but that if there were a company that had the scale and the capability, Coinbase is worth a few bucks and it's kind of what they do.
Yeah.
Anyway, nobody take any of, not financial advice.